so you can apply all these arithmetic operations in this modulo word. The thing is, this gets us to something called equivalence relation, and this is what an equivalence relation is. That if you have a relation on a set A, you fix the set A, okay, and then you say that A is reflexive, and A is symmetric, and A is transitive. Okay. So okay, so मैं trivial case किस चीज़ की बात कर रहा हूँ? So trivial case is when you have just loops. Okay, the trivial case of a relation that is reflexive and symmetric and transitive is this one, where you have just loops. Everything is only related to themselves. Okay, so ये वाला जो relation है ना, this is reflexive, this is transitive, and this is symmetric. Okay, this is a kind of a trivial. इसकी मैं बात नहीं कर रहा. इसके अलावा जो भी relation है, वो अगर reflexive, symmetric, and transitive है simultaneously, तो you get something nice. Can you think of what that thing is? What would your relation look like? Okay, so I'm asking you to imagine a relation that's simultaneously reflexive, transitive, and symmetric. This is the trivial example. I'm talking about something that's not trivial. Okay, what do you guys think? Nice addition to my office. क्या? Anyone? Okay, I'm going to give you 2 points on midterm for this thing. That will give you going, get you going. क्या? Now I'm going to ask you to paint the picture for. Okay? So what I'm saying is, think of regardless के उसके अंदर elements कौन से हैं? Forget about that. Okay? Think of natural numbers as your set. Okay, and now you are trying to figure out कि ये किस तरह का हो सकता है. Okay, and Ibrahim put a really nice image on it. He said that it's a relation where everything is connected. Okay, and he's right, almost right, but it need not be. No, no. Need not be finite. So what I'm saying is कि जो तुम कह रहे हो ना, उस पे that's true for this, but that's not the only picture. There is another picture. There is the possibility where not everything is connected to. हाँ, वो तो reflexive नहीं होगा, लेकिन वो फिर तुम इस picture की तरफ जा रहे हो. ये वाली picture मैं नहीं दिखाना चाहता आपको. Yes, हनान. जोर से बोलो. There's nothing which is not connected. No. क्या? That's a definition. That's not a picture. I'm looking for a picture. No. No. Show me a picture. Do you guys agree with Ibrahim's picture? Okay, that's a really nice picture, but it's not the picture that gives you 2 points on the midterm. The 2 points are slightly, I mean, they're right here. You just need to grab them.
Everything is same.
No, everything is not same. There is something interesting about this picture. Okay, there is something interesting. Otherwise, this would be very trivial. This would not be something you give away 2 points for. Why do people keep calling me sir? Okay, बोलें? क्या?
Everything is related to everything, but the loop is not on every.
तो फिर तो रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं रहेगा. क्या? क्या? No, it's very close to his picture. Okay, it's very close to his picture. थिंक ऑफ हिज पिक्चर एंड दिस पिक्चर, इन दोनों के बीच में एक पिक्चर है जो आपने देखनी है. What? I mean, मैं अब दूर जा रहे हैं, बहुत दूर जा रहे हैं, इतना दूर ना निकले, मेरे पास रहें. Come on, I give you 2 points.
Sir,
बोलो.
everything is connected to itself.
Okay.
Like for example, if we have
ये वाली पिक्चर कह रहे हो?
at least everything will be connected to itself.
Yes.
Even if it is not connected to something else.
Okay. That's not a complete picture. That's just a canvas and a brush. I mean, that's what I gave you, right? Hanan. No. That's actually you are going towards his picture, but it's not. No. No. Ibrahim, do you have anything? So look at this thing, okay? And go from here to your picture halfway. What is halfway between this and where you are? Yeah. Yeah. What? Sorry, what? No.
Everything is related to everything and everything is related to itself.
Come on. क्या? जोर से बोलें? No. क्या?
So that's if you take like 4 variables, each variable is connected to itself, and like this symmetry exists in A, B, and B to A, and C, D, and B to C.
दिखाओ पिक्चर दिखाओ.
Transitive, symmetric, and
दिखाओ. अच्छी तरह पिक्चर बनाओ. यही वाली पिक्चर है. यही कह रहा था मैं. इसको खूबसूरत बनाओ थोड़ा सा. हाँ, क्या कहाँ पे? That's not enough ना. CD भी बनाओ ना. CD कहाँ पे है? That's the picture. That's the picture. अब इसको डिस्क्राइब करो और 2 पॉइंट लेके भाग जाओ. So what's happening? Okay, think of this as तुम्हारा जो set है ना, that's the set of natural numbers. Okay, अब describe करो what is that picture on set of real numbers or natural numbers. This is the picture. You are there. कोऑर्डिनेट करना है तो कर लो. एक पॉइंट ले लो मिलके.
जो मुझे समझ आई है ना, उन्होंने ग्रुप बनाया हुआ है और वो सारा ग्रुप एक दूसरे के साथ मैच है. मतलब आपके पास अगर 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं ना,
हाँ. उसके
अंदर से 3 का एक साइड पे कर लेंगे, 2 अब कर लेंगे. 2 है वो आपस में उनके सारे रिलेशनशिप है, और जो 3 है वो सारे आपस में
क्या?
बीच में अगर एक
क्या?
एरो 2
क्या?
बता देगा.
Yeah. So that's the picture. So the thing is, this thing dictates, and listen very carefully. This definition dictates कि आपके सारे elements clusters में बने हुए हैं. Okay? You can have clusters of any size, 1, 2, 3 or whatever. But उस cluster में you have everything connected to everything. Okay? It's one possibility is that you have only one cluster. Okay? Everything is connected to everything. The other possibility is you have 2 clusters. One is of size, I don't know. Let me make picture for you for this thing. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Okay, well, so what I'm saying is, think of natural numbers. या कोई भी बड़ा set, okay? I'm going to take an example of 4 elements, okay? इसको क्या हो गया? Should stay here, okay? So एक possibility जो इब्राहिम ने he started with वो ये थी कि so loops आपके पास होंगे everywhere. You would have this arrow, you would have this arrow. You want it to be symmetric, right? तो ये वाला arrow होगा, ये वाला arrow होगा, ये वाला arrow होगा, ये arrow होगा, और फिर ये arrow होगा, फिर ये arrow होगा, ये arrow होगा, ये एरो होगा और ये एरो होगा. Okay, everyone understand this picture. This is one possibility. Okay, the other possibility is that you have this thing and then you have this thing. Okay, the other possibility is that you have this thing okay, and the still another possibility is that you have this thing. Okay, sorry, what? Yeah, first picture पर तो सबसे पहले इब्राहिम पहुंच चुका था. I just wanted you guys to come up with the all these pictures. ये वाली पिक्चर मैंने आपको दे दी, ये वाली इब्राहिम ने दे दी, बाकी आप लोगों ने come up करना था. Okay, so I'm gonna distribute 2 points between two of you. Okay, ठीक है? Happy? Okay, cool. So again, the definition is if a relation is known to be reflexive, symmetric, and transitive at the same time, then it must have clumps or clusters or classes. इनको हम equivalence classes कहते हैं. Each equivalence classes, what you have is that everything is connected to everything and itself as well. Okay? ठीक है? You can have as many classes as you want. इसकी एक definition है, वो हम देख लेते हैं. Okay, we are running out of time. यहाँ से हम next week start करते हैं.